go, C3. Keep over to this side. You got it. You got it, Carlos. Come on, stay on this side. There you go. You're out. You're out.
Yeah, you can't flip it back over to that easy.
You can't see though, but it's nice.
It's gonna be interesting for Jerome on this one.
Yeah, but you can't see the other side. It's pretty level coming down though. It's not so bad. You just can't see it. Alright, he's up on it. Up on the rock again, Jerome. Broke them sidewalls. Yeah, flex. Three-wheeling. Boom. Let's go, little boy. Of course, he's gonna go over it. Still didn't touch. Super flex, super flex. Suspension. Big Tommy running cleanup.
Hey, they got 8 guys coming up. So there's 2 spots down here for me and April to get out of the trail. We're right in the middle of climbing up pretty soon. If there's any way for you guys to get over, just let them by. Okay.
You got it, you clear it. He cleared it.
Maybe it was kind of like hopscotch and just kind of like alternate going up.